Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how people earn money by sharing fashion product links on Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, or WhatsApp? The answer is affiliate marketing. Instead of selling products yourself, affiliate links. If someone makes a qualifying purchase through your link, earn a commission according to the affiliate program's terms. In today's video, I'll explain how Myntra affiliate marketing works, how beginners can get started, how to generate affiliate links, and practical ways to promote products the right way. Let's get started. In today's video, I'll explain affiliate marketing means promoting products using your unique affiliate link, and practical ways to promote products the right way. In today's video, I'll explain affiliate marketing means promoting products and makes a qualifying purchase your unique affiliate link. You may practical ways to promote products the right way. In today's video, I'll explain affiliate marketing means promoting products and makes a qualifying purchase your unique affiliate link. You may practical ways to promote products the right way. In today's video, I'll explain affiliate marketing means promoting products and makes a qualifying purchase your unique affiliate link. You may practical ways to promote products the right way. In today's video, I'll explain affiliate marketing means promoting products and makes a qualifying purchase your unique affiliate link. You may practical ways to promote products the right way. Before you can start earning, you need to check available. Affiliate opportunities may change over time and are often managed through affiliate networks or official partner programs. To step 3. If the program is available, visit the official affiliate platform or the affiliate network that currently partners with Myntra. Create your account by entering your basic details and completing the registration process. Next, verify your email address or any other required information. Some affiliate platforms may also ask you to provide details about your website, YouTube channel, blog, or social media accounts. After completing your profile, submit your application and wait for approval if required. Once approved, you'll be able to generate affiliate links and start promoting eligible products according to the program's terms. After completing your profile, submit your application. The next step is choosing the right products to promote. Generate affiliate links. Focus on products that people are already interested in buying terms. After completing your profile, submit your categories in men's fashion and women's fashion. Also shoes, watches, bags, and people are already interested in buying terms. Choose products with positive customer reviews, strong demand, and competitive pricing. Promoting products that people already trust can improve the chances of generating clicks and sales. Choose products with positive customer reviews, strong demand, and competitive pricing. Promoting products that people already trust can improve the chances of generating clicks and sales. Instead of promoting hundreds of random products, focus on a specific category that matches your audience. A targeted approach usually works better than trying to promote everything. Instead of promoting hundreds of to recommend, you can do this from your affiliate dashboard or partner platform. Usually works better than trying to promote everything. Open the product page and copy your unique affiliate link. This special links may change. They are often managed through affiliate networks. This special link is connected partner programs. When someone clicks your affiliate link and completes an eligible purchase, according to the program's terms, the sale can be tracked and any applicable commission may be credited to your account. Always use your official affiliate link when sharing products and follow the affiliate program's guidelines. It's also a good practice to disclose that your link is an applicable commission when recredited to your account. Always you have is your affiliate link when sharing products and follow the sharing them with the right audience. It's also a good practice you can promote them on platforms where your content naturally fits. Always you have is your affiliate link when sharing products, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, or a blog or website fits. Instead of simply posting affiliate links, create content that helps people make better buying decisions. Useful content is more likely to earn trust and encourage clicks. People are more likely to use your affiliate links when they trust your recommendations. Focus on creating honest reviews, helpful comparisons, and useful buying guides instead of only promoting products. For example, you could create content like Top 10 Summer Outfits Under 1,000 Running Shoes for Beginners. These are specific categories that These are specific how you can target them directly. Affiliate marketing works best when people trust your recommendations. Your goal shouldn't be just getting clicks, it should be helping your audience make better buying decisions. Upload content regularly and stay active. Consistency helps you build an audience over time and gives people more reasons to follow your page. Create reels, shorts, honest product reviews, and comparison videos. You can also answer common questions that buyers have before making a purchase. Create reels, shorts, honest product, recommend items you've researched, and that genuinely fit your audience. Honest recommendations help build long-term credibility. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and return for future content. Trust is one of the most important factors for long-term affiliate marketing success. The more value you provide, after sharing your affiliate links, don't just wait for results. Regularly check your affiliate dashboard to see how your content is performing. Pay attention to important metrics such as link clicks, qualifying orders, commission earned, and finally, payment status. Review your performance regularly to identify which products, content formats, and platforms generate the best results. Use these insights to improve your future content. Affiliate marketing is a long-term business. Avoiding common mistakes can help you build trust, and improve your results over time. Here are some of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Spamming affiliate links, promoting products you haven't researched, and making unrealistic or misleading claims. Finally, if required by local laws or the platform's policies, clearly disclose that you're using affiliate links. Being transparent helps build trust with your audience and keeps your content compliant. Myntra affiliate marketing can be a great opportunity to earn commissions by recommending products that your audience genuinely finds useful. The key is to focus on providing value, not just sharing links. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. By creating helpful content consistently, trust with your audience, and following affiliate program guidelines, you can work toward building a sustainable affiliate marketing business. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.